We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Yeah, this is Everton Blender. It's all about the young police from Jamaica. See Young Police Channel. Big up yourself. Everton Blender said that. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of.
If you are tired of seeing criminals get away with murder, tired of hearing excuses for the wicked, then it's time to take action. Hit that subscription button now and stay in the loop with the Jamaica Young Police Channel. We are not here to sugarcoat. We are here to expose the truth, bring justice, and make sure the real heroes get the recognition they deserve. Don't wait for the change. Be the change. Subscribe, like, and let's make some noise and hold those criminals accountable. Justice in action. Speak up. Crime must fall. And remember that we have go inside this description box and you'll see various links to various things for the Jamaica Young Police Channel. JamaicaYoungPoliceChannel.com, where you will see articles and stuff like that. Those who like to read, and we continue to give you guys exceptional material over here. So, moving on. Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yeah, sometimes in life people think that you know people, but the only people that can really tell you about a person, when they come on to personal experience, only people that are close to them. So today is going to be an exclusive 2-part series. Premiere only on the Jamaica Young Police Channel. Get ready for unprecedented expose that you will not hear anywhere else. You're about to hear directly from a man who was not just an acquaintance, but the best friend of Christopher Dudus. Yeah man, we are talking about Mikey himself, the man from Tivoli Gardens, the man who locked down Jamaica for 10 days. Most powerful gangster ever Jamaica ever seen. So you're going to hear, when Christopher Dudus quote during their high school days in the 80s. That's right, yeah man, we are going all the way back to their time at Arden High School in Kingston, Jamaica. In part 1, he takes us deep into the earlier years of Dudus, his behavior in school, how he performed academically, who he aligned with, and the chilling truths of what really happened behind those school gates. This is no rumor, mill, or second-hand speculation. This is first-hand account from someone who walked the same halls, sat in the same classroom, and witnessed it unfold. If you have any question, because I have access to this man, if you have any question that you'd like to ask personally, yeah man, just send them through the Patreon squad. Yeah, through the Patreon squad, and we'll let you ask him on the channel. You'll hear about the students, yes, students who are bringing firearms to school, even at that young age, and you'll hear how the seeds of Jamaica's most feared, influential crime syndicate were planted in the classroom, fertilized in the streets, and harvested in blood. This is real Jamaican history, from the streets to the schoolyards, raw, unfiltered, and untold. And that's just the beginning. So stay tuned. Yeah, man. So we'll let you, so stay tuned. Part 2, there will, where we will reveal the shocking turning point that took Dudus from schoolboy with influence to the underworld kingpin, whose name would shape the foundation of Jamaica and lead to one of the most explosive military operations in modern Caribbean history. The 2010 Tivoli Gardens incursion. Only on the Jamaica Young Police Channel, where the truth is not watered down and history is not rewritten to protect criminals. Yeah, man, subscribe now, like, share, and join the movement that refuses to glorify wickedness because Jamaica deserves to know the truth. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. Yeah, man, this is Dudus, best friend from school days. And you're going to hear it for yourself. And surprisingly, you're going to hear what happened to this man after him leave school. You watch, you listen, and you decide.
Friend from Jamaica send some come give me on WhatsApp about the gun find down in Jamaica, and may I listen to it? And may I listen to it? And I see a number upon the thing for you, and I say, boy, I never call you.
Yes.
Boy, I mean, I love to meet you in person, brother.
Why?
Then you have to some good things.
Oh, that's why you don't want to meet me in person?
Oh, you mean, man, they don't good to you, I say.
Oh, okay. Why you say a good thing, I say?
Boss, this shipment here, that was discovered, and the stuff the way I said, it is a good thing. Because all of the guns them are going to kill black people.
No, that's not going on for the one them thing. And police involved tonight too.
Then that me hear you say. That's what I call you.
Big police involved tonight to one them thing then.
You call two names. That's why I call you, boss, because I listen to the thing, I listen to the thing, I see a number, and I say, let me call this number here. I joined the force 84.
Okay.
And I served 6 years in the force.
So you left, okay.
I'm there 35 years now. Me and Carl Williams, the former commissioner, and Fitz Bailey, all of us were in training at the same time. Yeah. But I am happy about this fine because it was going into the wrong hands. Because them going at him support the Jamaica.
Yeah, but you have thousands of guns out there, you know.
I know that.
There are over 8,000 guns, and this one is the one that intercept. Because the brother when he Benjamin, him control the WAF.
I don't know when he was a long time in Jamaica.
Dana Williams a piece in a pod, you know. And the man even a store all gun right in front of Central Police Station and coke. And him portray himself as he was first a Igla, and then him become this. Now, we know say in the music industry, it involves drugs too. You understand? It's a cover of the music. So him keep big dance and all of them things every year.
I know that Williams.
Yeah.
I know that.
Yeah.
That I come from East Kingston. Yeah, but as I say, maybe in the force 35 years ago, I say, look, me and was in trade at the same time.
Yeah.
But it's one of my police brethren from Jamaica sent this come give me last night, and me listen to it last night. I'm missing some now, and me say me stop because I see a number on it, and me hear you call your name.
Yes.
And me go save it. Because I love what you say. I don't know Clifford Blake, I know of him.
Okay.
And Gary Mackenzie, I know of him, I don't know him. Who me know,
yeah,
is Carl Williams, Fitz Bailey, Elbert Nelson, Carly Waller with the
Oh yeah, Egbert. Oh, okay, Egbert from Manchester.
Elbert Nelson from Davidson, Manchester.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Many must constable together, you know.
Hold on. So you must know me then.
Where you used to work?
Clarendon.
Where you name?
Garfield Thompson. So you must know me then.
Garfield Thompson.
Me and Nelson come Manchester.
Hold on. Oh, you're the station at ears.
Yes, sir, I mean this.
Are you did are you gonna replace a craft seal?
Yes, sir.
Are you the what the white girl we used to talk to name?
Vivian.
Want to she?
She don't see me, man. Me and she touch me.
Okay. So she not a youth?
Yes, man.
She have youth for run the youth when you run things?
Yeah.
So she and them together still?
No, them separate. Hey, you see that girl there? That girl that cry water over me. That girl that cry I water over me.
No, so she didn't love you, man, because she used to come and stay.
Oh, Jesus Christ. I tell you that, man.
Yeah, I mean replace your craft seal, man. Yeah, I mean they set up there to replace you and them thing there. Like funny. You understand? And you know, the first time I experienced any form of politics in our police force across it, I get transferred from this to St. Elizabeth. Because them say me a political activist should lock up the people them who commit crime.
Alright, I'm gonna share something with you.
Yeah.
When I came here 1990,
yes,
I applied for my vacation leave to come abroad and I never really tell nobody my business.
Yes.
My father filed for me and I came here on a green card. I don't know what visa looks like. I never get visa.
Yeah.
And I applied for my vacation leave to come abroad and the superintendent in charge of the parish at the time was Mr. Doc Grayson and him denied.
Why?
Bad mind. Bad mind come come foreign.
Oh. And him born in England.
The man turned on my vacation after me tell the man, tell him, Mr. Grayson, I am not going to America on a visa. My father filed for me, sir. I'm going permanently and the package the embassy give me. He give me a certain time to leave the country. If I don't leave the country, it's going to be null and void. And that makes sense to the man. And the man still turned on my vacation. Alright, I never quarrel with him.
You take sick leave?
No, I tell him I do. I go to Mandeville. And we went to the assistant commissioner in charge of Era 3, Mr. Arbor Barnes.
Alright, sir. That brother, him come from, him used to live at Black River. All him a dog, you know, man.
Well, I help me.
Welcome at
when we go to him, and we talk to him, I'm going to bring the package to when we get my embassy, go show him. And he understand. Mr. Barnes say, officer, go to Maple, write in the station diary that I, ACP Barnes, in charge of Era 3, grant the permission to proceed abroad on the vacation. And I said, sir, go on the vacation. Not that we do. And he met me. And I saw come me come America because Grayson was fuckery. When me there here, I get a little construction work. And me never stay at the yard when me put for the people say me I go. Because the accommodation was not there. Me got my auntie house, my father, brother, my father, sister. So I go one of my other aunties that also my father's sister. I mean, get a little construction work. And the yard me supposed to stay, man, they call me, say, Garfield, one letter come here to you from the Commissioner of Police Office in Jamaica. You do anything wrong down there? I said, no, anything is not wrong. She said, well, come pick up the letter. I'm going to go for the letter. And when I open the letter, at the accelerated promotion, them saying come give me to go on the course. And my auntie said to me, say, Garfield, your father filed for you and you're in America. You have to make that choice if you want to go back to honor that letter. And I sit down, couple of days, I think about it. And I said to myself, say, I'm going to go back to my auntie. I say, auntie, now I go. I'm in America already. They thought I was coming back because I took vacation to come abroad. So they thought I was coming back. That's why they sent that letter to me. Nelson went on the course. Ricketts went on the course.
Oh, Ricky said that Georgia.
Yes, him see man.
You and him talk?
Me and him in touch.
You and him in
Yes,
touch?
man.
Him
Yes, man.
come from, so why him left? Him come from Chisholm Avenue. Him used to go to Charlie Smith in my community.
Yeah, man.
Him one of my cousins or classmates and him think that Charlie Smith.
Me in touch with Nelson too. Nelson in New Jersey. Me I go send them this article. I go give them.
But you know, say, hey, suppose me don't like to talk with Nelson, cause lick a bit must make up on hey, me I tell you, and Nelson because Grayson them man. What did man? You have like a white ballad man where he was the ASP next to Grayson. Him used to do all like talking. What him name again?
Oh, yeah, talking
no man, Daz.
Oh,
he was more labor than Siaga. Me said the man eat me like pies, you know. That's young police, you know. All because I wish where I come from. Nelson, you see true Nelson and labor right on them thing, eh? And if I never grieve near them man, I go up on suspension, you know, if it do one police, you know, one Sunday, me da pen. One police on your lands and the sea, man, him neighbor them in some problem and all them thing. And you know, as police, remember that camaraderie where them in party with from training school, you know, take care of Matty. So we go down and me and Nelson go in, so me collect the statement, so me I lock up the woman them, cause the woman them beat him up as police, you know, you understand? He never retaliate. So we go down and lock up him. Even right in front of we, you know, the woman them use all a home sweet home lampshade and cut the policeman in him face, you know. I spit pan him and me and Nelson beat the woman and her daughter and me lock them up, you know. And you know, so you guess what? You see the woman and Daz there. So me I tell you, you know, and them now, you know, Daz now, you know, say me a big cause I wish I come from, say me a big PMP and them thing now, you know, oh me getting I saw man over there talking over headquarters, you know. I want, you understand? And them say, and the detective them say if you not suspend the youth, we have to suspend Nelson to call Nelson beat them too. But true Nelson for them boy and all them thing there. So and I mean if I go court go defend the case right up. Me alone, Nelson no come Nelson write a statement and the policeman when them cutting him face, him no come a court either. But him dead still though, you know. I mean have to defend it. You understand?
Them just said my guy see ID, you know. Because I mean I know if you remember the taxi man when they get killed out of me, you know. I mean, I'm 5 years old, you know. That about the father dead and buried there. I mean, see 5, you know.
In the client me there.
Yes, man. At 6 I got Clarendon. Me.
No, you got Clarendon before me, you know. I got Clarendon 88.
At 6 I got Clarendon. Me. Fabs. Paul Grant. Euclid Williams.
Oh, Paul Grant dead. Yeah, Euclid Williams, I one guy who we in black and him the guy came and them thing there.
In my police came on right now. Me and him touch too.
I love him. I want very intelligent. I think him come from Maxfield.
Yes, but let me tell you. You see Williams? He's very outspoken. Very outspoken.
True.
And not take no shit.
That's true, man.
Not take no shit. We touch.
Yeah, man. I'm a radical. Them say my radicals. Remember him, man.
Yeah, man. At 6 hours we go down there. 6 hours.
I don't know, Sir Williams, him that came man still.
Yeah, man, my police came man.
I know, Sir Paul Grant dead and him thing there.
Alright, Paul Grant dead. Fab's dead. I'm buried there. So, Nelson there in New Jersey. Ricky's there.
Georgia.
Me there, Miami.
So what on it? So Ricky's got Clarendon too?
Yes, man. Let me say 6 hours.
But when we got Clarendon, he never down there.
Yes, man. Me don't know.
In a 88?
All of us got Mapen. Ricky's got Milkover.
I don't remember anything.
Nelson got Lantown. Me got Hayes.
You know, so Nelson used to ride a S90 where exhibit though, you know what?
I must have me gone.
Yeah, man, that's how you gone and anything. But Nelson cool still though, you know. Egbert Nelson. But I'm all them children up here, I'm have a whole heap of pitney, you know.
His son live in my house, a Christian.
So I'm to him wife?
His wife live in New Jersey with him.
Oh, boy, I'm glad for you, man. Because one time in care, I go up there one night, you know, man. Then time I'm acting corporal and thing. And I tell him, man, one whole heap of pitney man of man. As an acting corporal, you know.
I mean, defend my car now, you know. Because you have one corporal named Heron, when I used to call run with the moustache there.
Oh, but he may get, but him left the force as deputy soup, you know.
Yeah, because what happened? Me yes or something, but we can't prove it.
Well, when them say me involved in that drugs and them thing for a long time. When me that client and them thing, him used to you have a Bryan Street, which was the post, which was the police station, eh?
We used to that.
We used to that, yeah, man. Then them telling me a young policeman and everything, I mean, one girl them used to deal with them thing that way. And she tell you about Aaron, say, you know, used to mix up in our weed business. And I just say, go them time, and Mac fall in Wally per Monday the night. You know, but me never see him as a man with him never to me never have no problem with the man him thing, you know. But me never know say him was a man to fight or used to fight against police. He never used to fight. Cause
Bossy, me say I may have to defend Nelson because he take a set for Nelson. For Heron me attack. Heron, me don't know what he take set for Nelson for. I don't know what it was. And I mean I'm gonna go rush him up in a brother. I'm gonna rush him, say yo. Come out of my squaddy. What the fuck you think is? Come out of my squaddy. Oh, yeah. Oh, you're a town man, so you're a bad man. Yes, me a fucking town man.
I town you come from?
Yes, man.
Which part of town you come from?
I'm born at Kingston, at University of the West Indies Hospital.
University of the Kingston, man. At St. Andrew that.
Yeah, that's what we call it. Up this man.
Me know, but I know enough of us say we are Kingston and we're not Kingston and you know, just Kingston, the Kingston, you know, like me, you know, Kingston 12 mobile, you understand? You know?
Alright, then came to Manchester as a youth.
Oh, okay.
I went to Spalding Primary School. Then when I passed my covenants, I got Knox. Then we transferred, we left 79 and go back Kingston, my barn. And I went back Arden High School.
Oh, a good school, that one.
Yeah, man. And then after I left Arden, I turned police. We used to live up Queensbury. When you pass Mullines Road, you pass Marvel, go up.
Yeah, man. You go through the gully. Go through the gully.
Right on the gully, yes. That's what we used to live. So, me used to go down and back to. They are back to every day.
So you're Fred Beckford, a batchmate?
Yes.
You know,
you see the brother when they're prison right now, when they do this?
Yeah.
I'm a boy if I tell them. Yes, man, we got school same time, man.
So you're my friend to this day?
Well, we're not friends to this day, because him there with them.
So you can't go look for my prison up in New Jersey, you know? You know that?
No, we don't know that.
Yeah, man, you can. Yeah, man, you don't go on the BPO, man, go on the Bureau of Prison, man, and make an appointment for go look for him. Cause if you're in school. Yeah, man.
I'm in school, man.
Yeah, man.
I'm a great that, man.
You can go look for him, man.
Well, what they mean with?
Boy, so what he was like? So you know, say at first I talked to somebody who do the schoolmate and them thing. So what he was like when he was at Arden?
Alright, when I got Arden.
What you used to call him when I got Arden?
I went in Christopher.
Christopher Dudus. What call him?
Christopher Cook. We call him my name.
What, Chris?
Chris, yeah.
Because normally when you go high school and call it by your last name.
Well, they used to call me Garfield.
Cause when me I go high school in the early 80s and them thing, my last name people call me by man know. Fair man know your first name. Him a feel you see him class and them thing. Then I see him them time we have farm. You understand? So you know a man call it by your last name and them thing there.
Alright, when me in grade 9, I'm in grade 7, and you have a tree where we always meet up on at lunch and under one tree.
Yeah.
And him always on the tree with me. Yeah, man, because he look up to me as a senior man.
Yeah.
And him always tell himself, if I come down, they come meet his father.
Dorothy Valley.
Yeah, but me tell him, say, no, me not come. Me say, yo, me not come wrestle because the stigma Valley, me not come. Him say, Garfield, come no, man, you come with me, man. You will good. Me say, no wrestle, me not come. And me never go.
Oh, and, so one of the reason why you did afraid to go down there because you come from PMP area.
No, I know that. I just the stigma with Tivoli. With Tivoli brothers, a bad place, gunman and gun down them in a one.
Oh.
But so I did not take up him as well. But when I tell you that you they get on very good in school. Like, and they look up to me.
Well, at first, I talk to somebody who go school. I remember Virgin still, me and him go high school together, you know. Him did there on him, but him dead in him, dead in prison. The man in the police, you know, at 2010, the man left the police work, you know, and become full-fledged criminal, you know. And the man they get by how much house out of criminality, you know, man.
Well, boss, me never want no money because when the man them CID and Maple they used to go down a Vernon field, me know when all of them move them make. And me never go because me live at my parents them house, me not no picnic, me not pay no rent.
Yeah.
So the local police pay me get was sufficient for me. So
what are they? Walker, you see them man or you Walker batchmate?
Walker, which one I Walker?
Lickshot Walker, yeah. We come from Maxfield.
Lickshot, ain't seen me.
Let me see, But boy, me know Lickshot is a man, me have enough respect for him as I work on him thing. You understand? Because even when that unspear, he's still in a kill boy, I see him, you know, when him a bodyguard Porsche, you know. I will in a protective service, see him here. You understand? But I don't know if you know our brother when he Paul Garcia.
Police?
Yeah, man, him a Walker used to go. Norman Manley. And you know, so them used to call Walker when them go Norman Manley. Our brother named Blight, Clifton Blight, where he dark line and them used to call Walker dog when them go Norman Manley, you know. Two him out 40.
Oh yeah, okay. But at Jamaica we call him Lickshot.
Yeah, man, a Walker and a bad policeman.
I know that.
But I'm supposed to go on home now, though.
Yeah, man, in return, I know him alone. You have this brother, you have Barrington Daly. Barrington Daly was me start with my Barrington Daly. Barrington Daly was superintendent down Mandeville. CID.
I don't know him.
You don't know him?
No, sir, I don't know him.
Okay.
I have to really work with that man. I have to hard work. I have to be a hard worker and them thing. As a street, because me the whole detective and them thing. I used to dip on the street. Me and Ricketts, when Ricketts was inspector, me not even know some man used to that client and because used to that do in the park, you know. But you know, say if Ricketts is staying, I get commissioner of police.
I know that. Ricketts resigned as a senior superintendent because his wife forced him to leave Jamaica to come to America. Can I talk? We see the judge.
Can live at so him and his wife together still?
Yes, man. Yeah, man.
But the man in the outsport and still doing it. The man is quiet and, you know.
Rick is a Christian. He come to church school as a Christian.
And him still a Christian, see him here.
Yeah, man. His number was 87. It was a laughing joke at training school. 125 are we going? I know the 125 regulation number and every instructor regulation number.
Boy, you're for good. You're maths. He's a maths man then, man. For you remember everybody regulation number. Me remember some, yes, but not all of them and them thing. But for
everybody, every car that go to training school, instructor back me up. Thompson, what is car per leaving number? 555. Yes, man, and every car na me turn. Yes, when they come to observation test, nobody leave. So
Mikey Phipps a batchmate, well, assistant commissioner?
No.
Him see now,
Mikey, yes. Vendolin Cameron Powell, my batchmate, the female. We in touch. We see how we got Jamaica last year.
Yeah.
So I buy one of the t-shirts from her. And you know, say I know me wear it. Because when I come back to America, I meet her at a ferry. At a ferry station, and you know, give her the money and she give me a t-shirt.
So you still go to a client and see her when you go to Jamaica?
Yeah, let me go.
And down there you stay?
I stay a whole hour. But I go down there every day.
Down at years?
Right. Yes, man. That's my place, man. I don't know where I come from.
Oh, okay. So you bring up a woman from down to come America with you?
Me no bring her up. Me and she meet up here.
Oh, okay. Well, so Come know, so he's a easy man. When you never, when me that crafts and all them thing, them write you up enough. When me they still wait for you come back and work. You know, me I tell you,
Them do what?
Them write you up enough man in our diary and them thing. There, for you come back and work. One time you leave the done. Yeah.
What you say?
Yeah, I tell you man, Scouty, cause them tell Scouty, we brother name from General Office, when name Keeble Thomas, then tell Scouty for write you up on them thing there.
Write me for what?
Say you submit no leave.
Fuck them.
Cause them not try to dismiss you and them thing there.
Yeah, fuck them. Ochi.
Yeah, this
where I work in the office.
Him cool man, the short one, him that
alright. In Washington now, me and too.
Hey, send me him number, man. The man they love young police, you know, man.
I'm a virgin that too, man. Because Scouty, when me I left, me tell, we better was Scouty, Ochi. When me I leave, me and Ochi keep in touch.
Yeah.
And when me a 70 day give me approve to come abroad, and me and Ochi stay in touch. And me say, Ochi, what we do? If we resign now, Ochi said no. Apply for your additional 35 days leave to make it 105. And we do it. And when we call Ochi said, Tamo, it's approved. And Ochi said, when that done, then you resign, and that me do.
Why man, yeah, I name Keeble Thomas.
Yeah.
Hey, I mean, you know, so the people them, you know, so like all them man and them thing there. You see when they get all in Japan duty, then the man they keep it, the man they make it bounce, you know. They go like the money I come out of them pocket, you know.
Ochi was good.
Yeah, man, Ochi a good. But I don't like to talk to Ochi, because I used to work with him uncle. I used to work with him uncle, you know, was a DC.
Hold on a little. Let me see if I get him yesterday. His name Nelson Hutchinson.
Yeah, man, the twin man, man, him brother.
Him Ige. Nelson Hutchinson, let me see if I answer.
Because them a Kingston, you know. Yeah, man, the car cut off, man. You cut off.
He cut off by mistake.
I saw it go them thing, yeah, man. So when you go to school with Dudus, what kind of person you was? In demeanor and how you used to behave when you go to school. If you used to get in that trouble.
Very good. No, he never get in trouble. Never get in trouble. Demeanor was good.
Alright, so let me tell you something. I don't know if you listen to the channel and them thing there. Cause I come from Jonestown, my born at Jonestown, a concrete jungle me grow and them thing there. So you know, so when I go to high school, that's why I ask about Dudus, you know. I tell a man say something is intrinsically wrong with community like mine. He used to go to school and he say he never used to get trouble. All of the youth when we used to go to school in Tivoli, when I go to high school, Rima and Southside, them never get trouble either, you know. Some would like to know why we come from PMP community, why we have this anti-social behavior.
Well, I don't know, but me I tell you first that the youth and I we were close because it always around me and the school is no. The teacher, principal, student, everybody know we must. Everybody knows
him, but and at school, him never used to be a chucky boy and them thing there.
Him never been a chucky boy. Cause him always under the tree with me. And him love football. What we love football? He come watch the Manning Cup team. And him under the tree. We got canteen. Go buy food. We stay under the tree. We eat and we talk and we chat and we walk. We walk from school. Go to half a tree and laugh and talk. Cause sometimes we walk. We walk half a tree. Sometimes we take the 70 bus. And got half a tree.
Oh, that's a bus from half a tree to Papi in.
Yes. And in the free bus. And go where I go. Never get in trouble.
So, cause sometimes him father drop him off at school.
Well, no sir. He has a bus. He has a bus come to school.
So what kind of person? So he used to be jovial, get joke and them thing there?
Jovial get joke. That they never been a chucky boy. Never been no chucky boy.
So what kind of memorable incident we remember about him giving joke or something at school? It does care if you remember on them thing there.
Well, I'm more of football we talk about, because I say this, and they love the football. And they love the football. And they love the Money Cup. They love the Money Cup team. And we got to see them. We got to see them together.
Also, most of the time when I left school compound, are you animal? You animal who you support them?
Little John, Paul, Little John, and Adrian, right?
So what them they know?
Paul dead. Paul come from down back to, and Adrian they are Washington. In cover now, you them there. In Jamaica right now. In Chilani. We talk to him there president.
So I four you support when I go to school. You Dudus.
Yes, man.
You Dudus. What name Paul? Little John.
Paul Little John. He play Money Cup.
He come from back to. I when him dead.
Paul did 80, not the 80s, the car, the taxi run off a flat bridge, right after that bridge I come back. Then go buy weed, some of them are sent and I come back and the car run off.
And him can't swim.
And he dead. I don't know if I swim, but he dead. He buried a dog.
And so you the guy in funeral and thing?
Yes, man, I was there.
And Dudus was there too?
I don't remember if Christopher is coming up. I don't remember. It quite possibly I can't remember because that day the boy me can't never in my right mind because me don't agree. So I don't remember who me see. So I don't know if you mean that.
So you say 4 you support you do those Little John. How next week them?
Adrian.
So what? So you never used to get trouble when I go to school?
Well, me now go tell you that. When we there at school, John used to, we call him John. John used to carry gun come to school.
Wait, from back to?
Yes, man. Summertime I have it.
You
Yes, man. Because when I go play football, I may have the bag with the gun. Because, and trust me, to me not say nothing. Because when you go join the force, Adrian said to me, say, but Garfield, you was trained already. We train you. You understand? Because
all them for train and you was more like them leader and them thing because you have the cool head.
Exactly, but what I mean by that? See, I'm blind, here and this. Not gonna be no snitch. You understand? So me learn something from them. Yeah.
Boy, although me come from me get to them thing, me not like criminality and them thing. Yeah. But just like how you say still when just like how you say when you go high school and them thing. You see the youth me I tell about you come from Tivoli when we used to go school then. When him name Ektalam in a 1986 when them rob Anatown Bakery. You know, so 2 weeks before them rob it, the youth tell me about it, and me and him go to school, and me and him tell me I'm my best friend, him dead now, you know, why you tell a soldier. The man tell me, say them rob Anatown Bakery, you know, I know, say Friday me down my yard, I want a phone, I see it on the news, so they rob a bakery. The man, can the man used to come to school with them gun, you know, and the man they become all police, you know. He's a boy who did bright, but in quiet, the man in the talk and them thing, you know. And the man tell me Friday, say the man tell me 2 Friday before that, say the man rob a bakery. And he not come to school Friday when they rob it, and the man come to school Monday and give me $20 in red money, you know, enough money that, you know, man.
Well, Paul tell me, say Garfield, you sit on my back too. No secret ballot election can't go on this one, brother.
Yeah, man, I know, man.
Paul tell me, when Paul had 16, Paul said, Garfield, election day, me vote 100 times for Portia. Because Portia must win. No secret ballot long as open. Everybody have to see that at Portia. The extra will go by the head with Portia. You tell me that.
You have Fred Beckford that batchmate, huh?
Fred Beckford is younger than me. In service, younger than me. They're after me.
Oh. But you know, same dead though.
Some here.
You know that boss.
He got me. He get nothing trouble, you know.
I true fool, that's why I ain't got prison. Me never got to prison for no man and them thing. Now, I get no money out of it. With man in a McLaren from Portland, when they go thief the man them ganja. That's why me, all them thing there, that's why I tell a man, if a man thief, you know, you alone I got prison. I mean, I like thieving police, you know. Him in a vehicle and him witness everything. All them have to do is just give Winchester Brown a statement and say, me in a vehicle, me see the man them rob the man them the ganja, he police them, and thief the man them ganja. Me no get none. He might say no see nothing on them thing, I end up got prison for them. You understand? I lose him work.
When me left CID, you know, Winchester Brown said to me, say, maybe you don't just CID. When the shooting go on out of club, where the taxi man get dead. Let me start from the beginning. Let me tell you how 3 years ago. Me took up on beat duty. And me fell there with a senior police. And the senior police never come on duty. And falls in their sleep. And Sergeant Pincher now with him, the brute force. Go wake up Fabs and tell Fabs say to come on duty with me. And me and Fabs we depend I remember 2 to 6.
You say Fabs dead no?
He dead and buried there, they don't send it to it. That man Fabs. He was detective sergeant and man level.
Send me in picture of them thing. Because I hold up a man and tell me say boy I know him. But me I tell him because them say me and him used to dollar St. Elizabeth. And me I tell him say him tall.
Yeah, what's that?
Yeah man, yeah man, me have WhatsApp to man. This is WhatsApp on live and them thing now.
Alright, now me I go send it on you.
Come on, tell me say boy, say me and him used to work me I tell him say me no remember him, you know. And them say him used to that magazine where when a brother will come from my community at Jonestown, Mutty Scott.
Well, I'm going to say Fabs, you know.
Oh, save him out.
Alright. I'm going to tell you. I'm going to tell you right now. When we look on the beat duty, Fabs, you find one year there's a girl, right at the market road there, upstairs. She's our agency shop. And Fabs said, I'm going to go check the girl while we're at the beat. And I see a boy run past me with blood. I run from his head. And when me look, I see one next boy, I run back at him with the broke back, the sword that broke back in their hand. So I realized that he stabbed the boy and I ran down to give him more.
So you didn't have any uniform?
With the fan duty, that uniform is hobby.
So what you do?
I make after the boy with the battle. And then go around and I catch him. And after I run past me, I look, I say, Fabs, come down. I say, Fabs, down now. Because I see the news, I turn around. I say, Fabs, down for the go. I say, Fabs, tap the boy then. And the boy, when Fabs try to tap the boy stab off them in the battle.
Stab off of Fabs?
Yes, and Fabs shoot after him. But Fabs missed. And they shot catch one man, the taxi man.
And I say taxi man dead?
Yes, because when me bow, me never know it's a gunshot. Me check the man bought a juice box. And when me look around, me say, hello?
Yeah man, your phone you drop the call man.
Yeah, he dropped the call.
Right. So you say after the boy stab off of Fabs and Fabs bust a shot, the taxi man get shot?
He don't catch the boy, he catch the taxi man. Yeah. And I see the man on the ground and blood and oh God, people come down, people in the twink of eye, people come down, brother, me I tell you.
What time of night that was?
On the night, 11:30 hours the morning. 11:30 hours the morning. And me say every weapon except gun. Me say knife, machete, stick, and the amount that stab with the stab of the falls of your duck. He kept drop on ground and he run left me. We don't really have a car from the back up.
No portable,
No, and the people them say, oh, he run gone, we catch his friend. Lord God, they surround the brother, they pin me up. And when they pin me up now, I take out the gun, out of the holster, and put them in with the finger on the trigger. And one man come and say, I was put away the gun. I say, sir, are you crazy? You don't see the amount of people surround. Why you don't tell them to move around? You're telling me to put away the gun? And as I say a weapon, I said gun. I'm a dead and the man tell me put the gun. Me stop talk with him because me I say man must a mad man. And now me go start make a move now because you know more crowd a come down.
Are you outnumbered?
I'm outnumbered. So me start walk, but me start walk straight. Me walk and zigzag and you know turn me back and turn around and I saw me do find out this out the taxi stand. All the way to station. And then follow me. Me never get no lick. Cause my finger on the trigger. When me go in that station, me see the detective, me stand. I wipe down fast the kerchief, fast the sweat. When I detective man in there say, oh, you not gonna charge me murder, you kill the man. Me say, move your bumbo class from here. Me cost couple bad words. Me say,
which detective that?
Me not remember which one. But me cost some bad words. Me say, move your bumbo class from here. You see the man under stress right now, and that's the best thing you can say. I say, get the fuck away from here, man. I'm a young police, you know. Because they're too weak. And I say to Favs, I say, Favs, don't write no statement. You can't write no statement now. You're pressure up, you're under stress, you're under duress. Now write no statement. And Mr. Morgan, School Morgan, come around.
School Morgan, Dark Clarin and them time, eh?
Yeah, he was the superintendent in charge. I talked to him about it a few months ago.
Yeah.
In the West Palm Beach right now.
But I'm not like a number of it. I had the man to save me from my job, from my lose work, from that training school, you know.
May I have him number?
Yeah, man, send me him number, man.
May I have him number?
May I tell you?
May I have him number? So may I have everybody number you need. May I have Ricky's number, may I have Nelson's number, may I have Hutchins' number, may I have School Morgan number, any other number you have, may I have everything. May I have everybody's number, brother. I can touch with everybody.
Yeah, man, send him number, man. Boy, him would like to talk with because hey, that the man ain't predict my career, you know. Him say me I go left work same like how me join, you know. I mean, if you work just as a yeah, man, him tell me I'm that training school, man. Me have to ask him how him tell, you understand. But that I want next day, me never talk to you about that and everything.
Where you live? Full idea? You live a full idea?
In a Broward County and them thing there.
Oh, you live in Broward County? Oh, you live in Dade County?
Me know, man, I used to live in a Miami-Dade County, man, near to the stadium. Near to that.
You live near the stadium?
You used to live.
You live near the stadium?
You live beside the stadium?
Near the stadium, sir. I live off 199th Street.
Okay, I used to live off Miami Gardens Drive and
That 183rd.
yeah, man, I used to live off 183rd. Yeah, man. So I'm to work with Fabs now.
Alright. Me tell Fabs not to write no statement, can't under stress.
Yeah.
And Mr. Morgan come and tell him say must take off the police uniform and put on the civilian clothes and pack up. Man him pack up. And then drive him through the back gate, the station, and can go Mandeville.
I saw him get transfer go Mandeville.
So him get transfer, yep. When we write the statement, I carry the statement go give Detective Corporal Cunningham.
Oh, I think he left as inspector, you know.
Yeah, man, he retired. I see the police. When we give Cunningham the statement, and when Cunningham read it, and Cunningham say, young police, who will write the statement here? I said, nobody. And he asked me again, he said, young police, tell me the truth. Who will write that statement here? I said, nobody saw me write it. He said, police, which school you go? I said, we go High School. He said, oh, me get it now. You got a good school, you're a bright boy. And he take the statement from me and said, come and CID. We want to CID now. But take off the uniform and put on plain clothes and come and CID. And we got CID, and we did it for a couple of weeks. And we go for operation with the man them at night time. Some things we see, I never agree with it. I just never say anything. And we go after Cunningham. I say, Cunningham, let's CID, I want to go in a uniform section. He said, what happened? I said, Cunningham, I don't want to disclose. I just want to go back. He said, man, with that the team that be right, brother, you're a good detective. I said, Cunningham, I like what you say about me, but no, I go back. And as somebody say, I go back over in a uniform.
In front of my troublemaker and I kill people and them thing, you know. Them not, some people you can't rehabilitate them, you know, my brother.
Yeah, because the boy when they actually was for when the thumb scouting and mouth and bust up him out. He mean he deserve to dead. In dead now, police killing no blue G.
Yeah, well, I am the thumb scouting I'm out.
I'm thumb scouting him out, yes. Yeah.
So scouting never kill him.
I was them the night. He run. Because I thumb scouting, tear off scouting uniform. He run.
Mm-hmm.
He run. And Mike, they support them boy there, no? Fish and him. Smiley was the best one.
True.
Never get in trouble.
But you know, the Smiley still in my life, still though, you know?
Yeah, my life, you know that. Fish dead, I showed up on dead.
All dirty Ivy dead too.
Yes, I will come up dead. Dead.
Yeah, all corrosive that in the man.
Me know that man, and you know, this brother is about them too, you know. They see him, the DJ with it, Merciless.
Me never know him, that Clarendon.
Yes, man, me know him, man. The man, that was a taxi there.
Him used to that shower corner too?
Yes, man.
Me not seem to know that. I mean,
Yeah, man.
So that's why one time I see him, I tell me, say him know me. I mean, I say you don't know me, you know. I say him, I tell me. But true, me say, man, you know. Me never
quite possibly, me know if it's true. Because you used to one police named Sean, who used to bodyguard Mike Henry.
Oh, yeah, I thought the brown brother used to drive him.
Yeah, I mean, they're protective services.
So Dudus used to carry a gun come to school, so? Like the
No, me never see me done. No, he never. But me know say Adrian carry a gun and Paul carry a gun.
Which part Adrian used to live?
Union Garden.
Oh, okay. You know, down like 13 and them thing there. I back to Fred Beckford come from, you know though?
Me never know which one he come from.
He used to go Casey, the bright boy still do, you know. Yeah, man, you know, based on what happened to them man and them thing there. Me say, man, the man couldn't get me if he got, you say, I go defend the man a thief and them thing there. I fool him, make him go to prison for man in a McLaren.
Yeah, McLaren is a chat too much. Chat too much and things and everything and don't know jack shit.
One to you did have a big tall brother when you Harriet. One to him kind of stammer.
Oh yes, Harriet is on a 4 part and let me bend.
One to him.
Harriet income America now. I don't know what state he income, but he's in the States.
You want to Clinton Wolf, him did in Miami. One to him.
Clinton Wolf in left from America. Because I used to do beat duty at night time. Wolf in America, I don't know what America is there.
I think they come from, you know, come from Union Garden too, you know.
Oh, okay.
That white brother there and them thing there.
Hey, because Wolf in a green here for you.
Yeah, man. Boy, I mean, and the short Wolf, he used to live at Mineral Lights. Union Garden you come from too.
Okay.
And he used to go KC, man, Fred Beckford. Bright boy that too, you know, but he never. But I mean, don't know why they never bring him a CIB alone, Bright. But you know, it's all the CIB thing did go back then and them thing, ne? I don't know, I must true, he wasn't a shot on them thing, ne?
But I want to say, immigration, me don't go in. Yes, man, the assistant commissioner lady, Mrs. Hardaway, that I think he has services as a superintendent.
Yeah.
And then come on years one day come inspect. When she go through the record of the book, man, she see my name in there. She called Sergeant Webb. She said, Sergeant Webb.
But, want to Webb him dead?
No, man, Webb there, man. He retired inspector. I will. Many checks up yesterday. They are post and Lucy. Many in touch.
I don't think no man don't remember me and them thing. So, but I know it was I kind of have two nieces, you know. One of them, I mean, you know, say, two cousins, him have two nieces, you know. One of them she half white and the next one are Indian. Sandra Webb. She used to have me
open. My sister right now, I got to make her last year June.
The fat one, I'm sister?
Yes, man. I want first name. She didn't give me her number.
Sandra.
Yeah, man. She inspector. She was in the uniform. I was last year, son. Last year June.
Okay. I'm a senior, man. Then you have... Well,
So, me come meet up one day, man.
Yeah, man, that's how it go on them thing. So what you do for yourself?
Me do security. Me a supervisor for portable gates. At the with the company with the screening for Royal Caribbean Cruise.
No, so you work. Oh, so much hour you work there, sir?
At $20.
Then, man, if you're there 35, if you go back to school and them thing, man, you know, you understand what I'm saying?
Me good, man. Me good. Me work at Chrome for 8 years, man. Me good. Trust me, me good. Trust me, tell you, me good.
For the what the company name of control? The security company of control Chrome. Is that cause one time when me just come here them thing there, man, like I'm saying now, some them thing there. So me join the military, you understand?
Me do 8 years long. It was ACAL.
Yeah.
Yeah, we work down there for 8 years. But it's a terrible place to work.
Yeah, $20 hour, man. That's a joke in America now, man. Believe you.
Me say me good man. Me say me good man. Me good. Yeah, me say me good man. Me good man. Me good. Trust me, say me good.
Yeah. You how much now?
61.
Yeah, 61. Oh, so boy, that's 4 more years left on them thing there.
Yeah, man. Me good man. Me not no mortgage. Me was pay off. Me good.
So how much you have?
2.
Oh. Why, Thompson? Why, man?
Me good.
Hey, you know a brother when named Dave Clark, where him did, I don't know years him used to live to one them thing there.
Police?
Yeah, man, him did come across still after you left still on them thing there. But you didn't know Scotty was dead though.
Yeah, man, we have Ampex.
Man,
Fire man.
Boy, I know Cocotti and them thing there. Boy,
me know Cocotti good too. Me know Freddie Maguga good.
No, hey, the man that big cookies in you know that. You remember what? The man that was big cookies hey, you know some of that clarinet when me just come a clarinet and him used to when he Ram Jam and him used to keep.
Yeah, Ram Jam.
Hey, police don't like him, you know, man, kind of mean, you know.
Boy, he was alright, didn't he though?
Why, man, me never like him, man. May I tell you?
Well, he can't go rocky for him, brother, go buy him a whole coffee soup and all that stuff. We can't give him body.
Man, I never like him, so when him keep Ram Jam.
Me I heard this reason did get on good because me was the referee when the man in Dave Mother fighted that road, Barbara.
Why, Paul Grant was dead, Sir Rasta.
Can't say, hey, because I see him, you know, when they come up in treatment, I see him, you know, I meet up with him.
What? You remember my brother named E.B. White?
E.B. White.
Him did that clarinet with you and them thing, and then him did that clarinet with you and them thing there. And then he left go a forensic and migrate come out foreign. The man that did bright, because him and Fred Beckford used to go a KC too.
I don't know, maybe a younger police for me.
You remember our brother when he and Clooney went down there with one black brother?
Yes, man.
What happened to him?
I don't know whether.
You remember one big fat one that they named Nelson?
In dead.
I lie. When?
Karate man.
When him dead?
In dead a couple years ago.
What happened to Ishmael? You know, last time I see Ishmael, I see him out of 441. And him now work with the count.
Me and Ishmael talk up to last week, maybe talk.
Send me back him number, man. Can I see my one? When in Jamaica, nice man party place and them thing, and me and him exchange number.
Yeah, man. Yeah, we touch.
He did have a tree at Miami, but boy, for some reason the number get mixed up because my phone, but my number never change, you know. You understand?
Well, all of them in the way I call me touch with all of them, brother. So this is a good thing.
I mean, it's a fatter did that floor up at West Palm Beach.
Fatter there West Palm Beach. Me have him number too.
Send me number, man. I know, me have picture. You know, me have picture with fatter from Facebook.
Oh.
Yeah, man. In a uniform and them thing there.
And me and Willow is to ride bike. We touch too. Cause me talked to him last week.
Him did in our group. Him daughter send film. Him have a New York number.
Him have a Florida number now. Him have a 954 number.
Oh, him change him number. Him daughter a captain in the army and them thing there.
In the army, yes. Him a go back home this month. Till June, him a go back home.
Him for good?
Feel good, yeah.
You can't take America.
Can't leave America, Rasta. You don't leave America.
The culture shock.
In cool Jamaica.
That's what I'm saying them thing there.
In cool. Financially good.
You know say era leg the door.
Yeah man, every leg. You know. Me just man, me know what I want.
Yeah. Want to keep it Thomas?
Keep it Thomas there America, yeah. I don't know what state in there. But in there somewhere, me don't know, me not in touch. Me not in touch. Me and Kill a friend on Facebook. We text on Facebook sometime, but me not remember him.
Oh, okay. Why? It's a pleasure talking with the man, you understand what I'm saying? But me lucky no man him to them. But send me the man the number, man, you understand what I'm saying?
I will man. Me go send the Fabs picture.
Yeah man, you understand?
Yeah. Me go send it on WhatsApp now because me go sleep, you know, because me have to wake up 3 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, okay.
For work. Can me start early? 5 o'clock me start early.
I'm by 2 o'clock you come off?
No, sir, man, that's 4. The supervisor leave later than.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm glad for my work, sir. You understand what I'm saying? I feel left my.
What you do?
I work for Uncle Sam still, man. I work in the Department of Defense.
Oh, okay.
We have the most agency and them thing there in our department. So
okay.
You understand? I forgot an office and them thing there. You know, stay for me there and you understand what I'm saying, for the base. In my yard.
Well, my son retired, brother. 4 years, my 65, so. And on a mortgage, me also live in a PR.
Yeah.
The other one went out. I buy my car cash. So I met it, I'm good. Me good. So the work come here, I don't know what they want it.
Yeah.
Me good.
Want to Scouty?
Scouty, there's so many in America, I don't know what in there.
You know the number for him?
Me know the number for him.
It's good to me still do, you know. Yeah, him to check. I don't know still, but him to check for me and them thing that I got a craft sale. I'm poor, me not even know on them thing there. And time them send me got a craft sale, them send me up there. Them as a political activist, you know. You understand? Based from my background, me not even know that. I didn't love me still though, you know. I couldn't do as a probation and I couldn't do nothing wrong for them, you know.
Me too.
Yeah,
me
man.
too. Let it love me.
Me couldn't do nothing wrong on them things. I know say I want him nephew with New Jersey, they call me after him dead and tell me, you know. Say yeah man, say yeah. So him couldn't get to talk to because him did sick. Him nephew tell me say boy, uncle love me and them thing that. You understand? Yeah man, me couldn't not even order the room as probation and me a thief for gun. Everybody will get right up. Me not go like now make me go order the room. I tell you. He didn't love me man. You understand? Cause you be a work and me never did mix up on them thing there. Yeah man, me never mix up.
Him protect me too. But my biggest thing across the one was living. Jesus Christ.
Oh, yeah, cause she did them say she possessive, but you know they all fight all in the station, man.
Man, let me tell you something, man. Me couldn't go months. No other girl, brother. No other girl couldn't come over, brother. Jesus Christ. We've been sick on family like 6 pounds. Cold.
Boy, she the only mad still when you're gone, you know.
That's what me here.
Yeah, man. Every day she come by the station. You understand?
She love me, man.
And she did have
she begged me to come on.
She did have little money to one them thing there.
She did. I can't tell you. Me never hungry. Money high in my pocket.
Yeah. So she's still up her craft.
Same way. I do her business same way. Me in touch.
Boy, man, she did Irish still do, you know.
That the girl that did love me, man. Jesus Christ. I said one day one girl decided to give me. I make up the little room and I don't find the little side of the station there. Blood, don't know any girl go down there. No, you see I come.
Which room beside the station?
You that one building side of the station. Where some bed in down there. I don't know so many girls over.
Oh, you talk like when you walk down like a truck behind the station and them thing.
Yes, behind the station. Yes.
But that boy, you know, easy Rasta, and the woman that really go down there with you. Before you can do man in a barrack room that more convenient.
Well, we just because I vivid me eyes, man.
Oh, okay. Boy, yeah man, can scout this man. Them say boy, 10 times for day she come and stay so when you at work.
Yes, man.
Right. But she Irish still though. But anyway, Tom, it's a pleasure talking with the man, you understand? But let me know, my man. You understand?
We lock it in.
Yeah, man. Alright, yeah, man, and you know, see it. And all of them man, the number man. Ricketts, my cousin used to go thing there in Charlie Smith. And the man that become, boy, I don't know, him shouldn't have left stay, but I just saw it go.
My wife.
Boy, my accountant up here now, though.
Him do some, where Ricky so?
Him do some consulting work.
Some consulting work, yes.
Yeah, because I brother me and him dead now, him used to that, because they tell me, say, boy, Ricketts are some big shot in Georgia now, you know.
Yeah, in a church, Nelson not nothing. Nelson retired assistant commissioner, ain't good.
Him would like to talk with the one Egbert and him thing there.
Yeah, me go make all the connection for you, man.
Alright, my brother. Blessed love, Thompson, alright?
Alright, cool.
Yeah, man, yeah. Come to the end of this powerful 2-part series. A rare, eye-opening look into the high school years of Christopher Dudus Coke. I'm told by the man who knew him best during those formative years at Arden High School in Kingston, Jamaica. We peel back the curtain on a side of Dudus that the public has never seen. The schoolboy, the rising influence, yes, and the environment that helped shape one of Jamaica's most feared gangsters. Now serving time in Fort Dix Federal Correction Institution in New Jersey. His former best friend, now older and reflective, shared us memories that have never been made public, and even revealed that he still intends to visit Dudus behind prison walls, proof that loyalty even among gangsters run deep. This is the kind of raw and filtered content you will only find on the Jamaica Young Police channel. We are not here to glorify criminals. We are here to expose the truth, educate the people, and let the nation know how our sons, brilliant, ambitious, and full of potential, can be consumed by criminality when the system and society fail to intervene early. If you have made it this far, we thank you for watching, listening, and critically thinking. This is just the beginning. We have much more to come. More testimonies, more untold stories, more uncomfortable truths that Jamaica needs to confront if we are to build a better nation for our children. So don't just watch, subscribe, share, support the movement. I remember to join the Patreon squad. And remember, this isn't entertainment, it's enlightenment. Jamaica Young Police channel, we don't glorify dons, we expose them. Yes, so have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police channel out.